Today, I will explain to you how law enforcement, how private investigators, right, the people you know, maybe say they don't commit crime now, they carry you go police, right? How these people actually track somebody, right? Listen, or let's say person where they top don't compromise the case, say they don't want me to catch this person. Aside that, I will show you step by step. So for cybersecurity, right, it is very easy for you to track any kind of person, provided say the person commits that crime online, right? If the person commit the crime on site, like physically, right? Cyber security if you no really capture am, or let's say maybe CCTV camera dey or other kind of devices dey, sound system, anything wey fit capture when the something happen, right? If you can use those things support your investigation. But for provided say this thing happen online, for example, you use mobile phone commit this crime, you use your smartwatch commit this crime, you use your computer, laptop, anything, right? Provided say you connect to the internet, right? If they want catch you, they will catch you directly to your house. No be, you understand that? So for we get what we call IP address. IP address na internet protocol address. So the same way we say, for example, before you use send email, right? You must register email address. Either you register with your name, date of birth, everything about you, you go use and register. You go use and register that email address, right? For before you access internet they like global village, right? Everybody, just imagine plaza where we say everybody they enter. Best way to understand that, imagine ShopRite, right? Imagine any mall, everybody they enter. But before you enter inside that mall, right, they must give you tag. They must write something, give you. They must give you tally. Anyhow you want to understand that. They must give you that thing. And if if you enter that place without using that thing, right? Even though say you want to enter the place, before you must enter that place, it is even better say you steal person own. But you must use that thing enter. You know if you enter without that thing. Now the best way to understand that. So for that IP address, who they give them? So the internet they like big body, right? Everybody inter network. So everybody join their network together, right? So inside this network, everybody join together, right? Before any person, they give any person that tally, which is like that IP address. You get people who say their work, all right? Their work now to register any person where they want give or who they enter, who they want give. You understand the point now, right? So if you get network like MTN, Glo, Etisalat, whichever kind of network, now most times this network now they go those places, go collect kind of numbers, right? Subnet, it gives you they call them subnet. So if you go collect numbers, so those numbers now this people want manage them. For instance, same as say your for your community, right? Your youth leader go local government, go collect something, then go come share, right? Now, so I want to make you take understand them. So these people we call them ISP, internet service providers. So now them they manage the service, and then they manage that tag, that IP address, and then they manage it. So once you don't get IP address, once they don't give your network provider, your internet, your network rather, which is like your use leader now, right? When you don't give them these IP addresses, right? So in job now to give person, borrow person at each time, give person at each time, give person at each time, and they must keep log of who they give at any particular time. So now, when you don't commit crime, let's assume say you log in, right? You commit crime. So any system, so the law for every person where they create website or anything, right? Where they give you internet server. Now you must keep account of everybody we visits. Just like you must keep account of every tag where you receive. We want cross. So you must record them. I want me to understand. So we call them log for cybersecurity. We call them log, right? So every person, every website where you visit using this, say you want to visit the internet, you want to use the internet, right? As you visit that website or server or Banco or Amazon, anything at all where you visit, they get server, and that server go jot down your IP address, which is like your tag, right? You go write them down. Who visits, what time you visit, how many minutes you spend, every single day there. You get the point now, right? So as that thing they there right now, as you don't get that, as the server don't get that information. So let us say as you log into that bank, right? By that time, and they don't give you IP address, you can't go commit crime. You can't do some wire fraud, or you can't insult somebody, or you can't just, or you share person nude, or anything at all. So let's assume say you use Instagram, do that, commit that crime. Now Instagram, what Instagram go do, and let's assume say they want track, they don't report this case to police. Remember, for every investigation, person must complain. Police no fit just start now, they investigate. Witness must complain, or the person will be the victim must complain, say see wetin happen before the investigation will start. So this investigation we want to start now, right? The police now want to know, for example, what will be the username of this person? Do you have any screenshots, anything at all, any evidence to show say this person actually committed this crime, right? If you can't bring screenshots, inside this screenshot, right, you will see the username of the person who committed this crime. All we just need to do now to go court, right, as the police or as a private investigator, anything at all, right, go court, go collect court order, mandating the service provider where you use commit that crime. If it be bank, if it be Facebook, if it be Amazon, anywhere at all where you commit that crime, right? Court order to tell us, may they release the IP address of that person who commit that crime, or that username will commit that crime. Any person at all will commit that crime, give us the IP address of this person by this time. You get the point now, B? So now that people, which is the service provider like Facebook, Snapchat, any of them, they'll come release that IP address because courts don't say release and you must release them. So as they don't release that IP address, or let's say for example, where I say a certain person at the top don't compromise them now, for example, then courts no agree release that order. Right, you don't compromise that case. That case should not go forward again because for them to issue that document, right? When you sign into every website, they always sign terms and conditions. Probably you don't even take your time reading that terms and conditions. But you will see say the state and there say if governments can't ask us for this thing, we'll release them. So once they don't release that IP address. If you just Google what is my IP address, you will see your own IP address. You understand my point, Abby? So once you don't see your own IP address, just ask who is then that IP address. You will see waiting they call ISP, the people where they handle, just like the local governments, where they handle that particular IP address. So what we need to do to that ISP now, give us who you give this tag, this IP address by this time, right? So that IP address, that's ISP, which is Internet Service Provider, we go release those information. It will include your MAC number. So MAC number is like your machine number, right? Your laptop number or your phone number, anything. They will release all those information, including the latitude and longitude of where you did when you commit that crime. In that case, they will just use those information, can't locate you. Using latitude and longitude, you will locate the exact building, the exact room where that person commit that crime from. And with that, you go charge the person to court to go defend himself using all those forensic evidence where you don't gather. I don't know whether you understand my point. If somebody also asks, when I try to explain this thing for my Instagram, right? Person asks for my TikTok. Person asks, what is the need of VPN? If VPN work now to protect IP address, good. So the best way to understand VPN now, imagine say you want to enter club, right? As you want to enter club now, you never reach 18 years, but you want to enter that club because you get money, right? So what you guys do, right? Sometimes if bouncer they there, right, you go fee tip the bouncer, say how far, I beg, allow me, make I enter inside, something like that, right? Whatever something be, you go give money. If you say the bouncer know you, if you say the bouncer they don't free, may you just get they likable by other people they come. Anything how we need, but the most important thing is say you meet the bouncer, make it help you pass you in, right? So that is like you meeting VPN, saying you want pass through. So the work of VPN is just like to wear you clothes, so that if, for example, you look like me now, right? For you to enter here, my face, let's assume say I look so young, I look 16 years. So the work of that VPN is to cover you, so you would look like me. You will look like somebody who don't reach like 30 years or something, who want to enter club, and then you go enter without rejection. You don't understand the work of VPN now, right? So let us say they say, may nobody enter this room. May nobody enter this room. If you wear trousers, no enter this room. Or no enter this church. Or you no enter this place if you wear trousers. But you want to enter that place and you wear shorts. What you go do? Now to either you tip the security guy, say, Alpha, I beg, I wear short to, I don't know if you reach house, but I want to enter this place. If he block me. So that security guy, and if he just give you in trouser, make you wear. Even though say you wear your shorts inside, right? But he don't already see your shorts before he go give you in trouser, make you wear. You understand that package, right? So now so VPN they take work. So once you don't make up that request, say mask me, I want to enter. So if you say your government block certain websites, if you say you know if you access certain websites from your region, from your location, like get it how they block Twitter for some countries, right? If you want to really access Twitter at that time, which you guys do, now to use VPN. So that VPN go take you inside, like say you be the person we want to go inside. But if anything happen, you can't commit crime using that VPN, right? That VPN go expose the IP address we connect to. Remember, any person where they communicate with any server, before you communicate to any server, as I said before, they go jot down your IP address or your tag, right? As you connect to that VPN too, they jot down your tag, which is your IP address. So immediately you commit crime, and now they can't ask the ISP, which is like the local government, who you give this tag by this time. Don't forget, say the ISP, which is the internet service provider, will come say, oh, see the person's real address here. And probably, when you just sign up, right, read the terms and conditions. You just sign up. So once they don't give the government your IP address that moment, right, you don't get any other option. As I always say, thief no get mouth. When they don't catch thief, everybody will come on hand. Nobody want actually associate with this person, right? So once they don't say you commit crime and your IP address don't show, right? They will give the law enforcement, which is probably FBI or any person who investigates you, right? Your real IP address. And with that real IP address, you can locate where this person they even come from originally, right? If you can say, okay, this person is coming from this part of the world, okay, fine. You can't go that country now. Due to cooperation with Interpol, or most of these countries, they cooperate. The most important thing is say VPN, right? You go fee hide you, make you enter. But once you don't commit crime, they go expose you. I want to make you understand that fact. Then also, just the best, as I say, the best way to say, I'm not like, say you reach 18 years, but you want to go club. In this case, for you to enter this club, right, you got to bribe bouncer, right? But when you say you can't go there now, can't break person head, say they fight, you can't break person head. You just say they go let you go. No, they'll apprehend you. You can't say, so how you even take enter here? Bouncer people even say, no, right? Whatever the case be, but the most important thing to say, they will catch you. Or you go enter there now, can't start with the pickpockets. If the bouncer self will even beat you, join. I know that I understand my point, right? So that is how law enforcement, private investigators, they actually track somebody to in doorstep, right? And VPN no go actually hide you. VPN no go actually hide you. The way to track person be this: if the person commit crime using a device that is connected to the internet, they will catch the person. No let person whine you, right? Share this video to person where you believe say we finish them. Some people they shove the internet without even having some of this knowledge, and if you can't deal late when they go know things don't go south, right? So do your best to share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel if you never actually subscribe.